I was here. We are still on the electricity tariff increment and water bill increment now. NDC government, Ediaba. Now you say, "Obreba, you know, some of the NDC TikTokers, ebe did NPP for that term, except Omajimi, Omunimu Yansan, Omunimu Yansan, and Komu say Akufo Addo, and a day Ghana, Equasia, IMF funsa, and this tax reform, MI, ATND. Now, I don't know. Ana NPP TikTokers, abe clash with NDC TikTokers, ewo media no so. Enye easy. Mema nchire mu no akire wa adwan amame ewo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mezo say any dey mo. Over like video na da ma bo subscribe button so. Na ba click notification icon of latest update. Na ba kire wa adwan dey amame ewo comment section. Mezo ba so a. No share from onya bi ahye. O 25 face mu no a. Just I can say every 3 months bia no ye to electricity and water bill mu ye tum. Every 3 months ye tum. Ye to tum mo enti. I wasn't surprised when Auto Forcing stood in parliament to say ECG revenue no 25 fin across a movie up to 1.7 billion per month because and tomorrow be banyan tomorrow get to 18 I wasn't surprised say Auto Force e kan that say be gen munyam now you know Auto Force e kan that some no Ghana for obuda kwa say na ato sika nkra free fan about boom 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 sa omo musa question they were interested in the amount na Auto Force abo yes Auto Force ebo adwuma Auto is force into no buy no what may generate huge revenue from the side of the ECG. I'm a Ghana for with a question on that. Annual chair say starting 2026 electricity bill be cost by 9.8%. Now water bill cost by 15.92%. And nobody say and for every for that start complaints Mahama then I obey nya botrani ade.
Penyah, it will not be long and we will see the true colors of the umbrella. Ghana for 10% ye levy. 10% ye levy a one can be decide say. So wakra now beba no be osika or takrade now be tuya ho and ukra 1% ube tuya de now the befa ka ko a wo option. Ghana for so muntua 1%. Ebo ho atwede our parliament, bringing the reputation of parliament into disrepute, bringing the years of our parliamentary democracy into mockery. I know the Ghana for say they fought it to the Supreme Court level. And when he tokonwedia or tifie. Ghana for say 1% or ye levy omuntimintuya. But they can pay 1% on every liter of fuel. Baby, Akufo Addo Ghana for a fan, a more ding. Every liter of fuel, they can pay 1 cedi on every liter of fuel. At the time, your benchmark is 8%. You see, it means 1% too. And look like ye levy so was a car with their money and your better. Hey, me too, is a me manu be an no other options are Ubi and no beba friends say, Bosumi aso or Timmy. But car, hey, me ko baby, I mean here necessity. Your people must move, they will go to work. Near Timmy, the idea we are to Sona Ghana for bomb on some. Almost say, I mind you who be that. Electricity, I saying. Matis almost 9.8 I bet so and water. And ye share, no trum 19%, 18% too. No buy less than 1 year. You see, airport charges a free 5 cedis are 400 cedis. Growth and sustainability levy 3%. Financial service, a better no matter how space a fankrofo. Mining sector, better no space a fankrofo. It's Ghana for the sebi sometimes me dream one mentiasi.
And suma NDC ni bi ebe keka Nkwaseafuo
Me catch that was said 99% of NPP for mo ya moa me catch mo ya moa ontim ase hwe soro ho no mo hu ade na eda ho no saa de we sei eye Akufo Addo ne ba omea ene di mirika de Ghana ye electricity ni ye water bill esade tumu sem peace wo no mo de call IMF se omo de kokko je besia wu omo de kokko je $3 billion besia ebetena ase di sika no man fa anye bibiara ebeye nhye da Ghana for so say every blessed quarter of year 3 months bia o Ghana ha no we say increase electricity bill ni water base enne Mlakas abuaje akwa say celebrity say Ghana for so mo pe o ma akwa to aba ama NDC party no nti de enye de o mo be hunu ni NPP for mesrema ya munsua de na mo ya mmoa NPP for me say 99% ye mmoa munsua nyansa ana mo ka say Ghana for ye nsua de wo no wakwa je usika pe wa ba betena ho adi no enne wo mfere wo ka say Ghana for ye tibo nkoso ye nsua de ye giminti no enne wo kro na asa de akwakota se wo ye obi a wo mlakas aboaje usua de wo dwene wo ho a wo usuro Nyankopon a bibusa wo say ka be ba betena media so ba beka pipe ne electricity increment no be ba ka ho asem ana ya mo ka se nipa na ye wo Ghana ha no mu NPP fo no mo nkwa na musua de mo nkwa na mo media so ana se mo nkwa na mo nim dia na she video no me se she video man ko ka Ghana ni bia nsa na mo hu no mfa nto tim se sie tu pipe ana se water bay mu a NPP fo na dia ko IMF akwa je bisia sika chichuri die aba betena se die John Amani mama nko benya nka me wo kase nko reduce pipe ne electricity bill. Jese nyame adoma next year April mu ansa na saa no ma we a ekoso no etu bitwa enti se wote woni ya tu electricity bill ni water bill mu a NPP and under Akufo Addo governance no eno mo de Ghana sika Ghana kokoje besia. She video na like na mo jai no ma na ya mo pese mo tu mfutu gungu.
Ebusuafo eyezu like na Nyankopon hira why the screenshot of picture na that top no never to phone so anytime bia we be hu say NPP ni bia ye dede na president Mahama baaye wato nsuom wato nkaneam ka kire ne se oye kohwini eye brabone na omabanfo kankan akromfo no ensemoni omu bedi ya omu gya ne ho no ene na next na ye bre wo ho nti bone ye gyanom ye no ene ye nya so asotwe nti president Mahama ne NDC aban ne se bio omo mo da mo njimi se omo sori ya yentutu nsuom yentutu nkane mu yenye se na fuel kura ye teso de amaye gas kura ye teso e de amaye na ade na omo kwa increase electricity akọ increase nsuo manipa ntias se the IMF deal na omo ko ye no sa $3 billion bi na omo ko giye no yen hu di omudi sa sika ne ye no na ni nyina hye saade we mu bi enti senka eye oma ban ne kora na wo so a enka still na this year e wo se omutum na ediwura 2026 enti ye woni ma bi so ho a yen cancel no sa enti na president Mahama baaye levy or abolish ye betting tax or abolish ye any airport taxes port taxes bia na wo ho nyinu twitwa ni nyina mu but de na ontimi ntwam amono ho na ba ko ye your friend is COVID tax. Into COVID tax no wantimi antwam kopem say this year ena yetwa COVID tax. Nti sanso na saa IMF deal wetie. Eno so yantimi ntwitwa niema mu saa until say the due date na so ansa na yaye den yetwitwam. Nti ma NPP ni bia ante ase se eye oma ban no ena de saa nkwaseade we di gya ho no okoye but enam say emra ye adwumanti no yentimi nsore entwam prekope.
Now, you know, common sense is common, but not common to every people. You know, my mom children make that same way. Or children we say, Akufo Addo Ghana question IMF funsa, and IMF I catch Ghana for say, Obama ye tax reform in a way of risking our financial crisis, risking Ghana from financial crisis. It's one tax reform. I say every 3 months there must be tax adjustment. There must be adjustment in ECG, there must be utility bills adjustment. Adjustment not necessarily mean increment. It can be increment and decrement. But in the understanding of NDC, adjustment means increment. It's normal. You know, almost I could hide behind IMF and I can't say the same way. But if you say e-levy, betting tax, any convenient e-levy, Mahama Beka said it has connection with IMF deal. Mahama Beka said it has connection with IMF deal, but Mahama was able to scrap those bills. 80 say, Omuchiremu say, Akufo Addo ECG go say awa, and IMF eka send every 3 months by young to like be money and the other there. Sika no hwan eje. Does the money go to IMF? At first the general honor and also say NDC are making revenue of 1.7 billion cedis per month no. Sika no ekwa me fa na se Ghana na je. Why na je sika no? Why na so paso? Is a guy very finish say on pa. Aden na wontwam. Aden because enya IMF na really Ghana, Ghana mpefo na really o man. Aden na wo muntwam. Na se mo keka Nkwaseafuo, omunim do mo keka. Eno ana NPP TikTokers na abel plus Akwaseafuo ampanyi we.
The catch that was said 99% of NPP for mo ya mwa.
Abusua, wahu de we a na ne asia bre no ho e ka no. Odi atem because ono ne dia na say yitua ne ka se o medi atem o metu mfuturo ngu o manani na wo ye Ghana ni na woto aba ama NPP ana say mo amofrem ho floating voters no wato aba ama NPP amo ani nje because me da bia manije woti ase ye ntia manije no ene say wo mami hu afekura woto aba wo sha ase to aba because me say nyansafo ne animdifo ehwe me platform itie the quality and then productive analysis aya me yen wo platform we so enti me pese mi hu afekura 2000 auto aba and auto no 2004 also auto no 2016 and also 2020 mami hu na afi hwade 99% of MPP for na ye moa no emoa no etimi to aba ema Ghana ha ye free maternal care emoa no ayewo MPP 99 no munjubileti efise mutime to aba ema ene ye national health insurance from krenkren to krankran 99% of NPP for na moye mwanti moto aba ma NPP no moto aba at the free education free SHS education e baye ama ne boa from krenkren to krankran the same mwana e NPP na esa to aba ama ene school feeding school feeding we ye ka ho asam kire wa enkran sore no pono makotwe omuti engusie mfiri kitchen ho mo nko school fees ende madam on no aduane Vivian J ye ka se be bo dua so nim no koye school feeding coordinator ye ka se be bo Vivian J dua so nim no koye school feeding coordinator nti manage say me to abama aban bi ba ye odi hye we ba ya Ghana ha and obi si Ghana ha no say na ye can the entitlement of Ghana and as entitlement as a Ghanaian the kind of freedom and justice we enjoy freely. These are some of the things I will be proud to mention. And I'm proud to mention them. Now, abua ben ne sene wo a wokoto aba. Abua ben pa ne sene wo a wokoto aba. Ama aban bi ba so. Ama what the $290 million ekoto pad. Now what the 51 million Ghana cedis ekoye Women's Bank. Abua ben ne sene wo sa am nipa no. O ya abua ben ya. Kira wa abua krodin. O ya abua ben. Mi pese mi hu. Abua ben pa ne sene se Agric ministry yetwam. Railway ministry yetwam. Abua ben ne sene wo se okoto abama aban bi baaye. Na ono de ministries a watwam otimi kwaye budget. Etwe sika de kwasa ministry na abua ben ne sene. O ya abua ben ya. Abua ben ne sene. Abua ben ana sene wo a wokoto aba. Ama aban bi ba so. So obema maburu nyina adwuma ye. Formula 133. Adwuma baako ye bekọ ne mprensa. Abua ben ne sene wo se wokoto aba ma sa aban ne ba ya. Sa de no wantimi anye. Chirama adwuma sa Formula 133 ne ye because wantimi anchirama ya wo so aboa ne ye hu aboa kora ye mfa won entoto no ho. So ye hu aboa kora ye mfa won toto no ho. Abua ben pa ne sene wo se wo ukoto aba ema aban bi se sisia HIV e Ghana ha yesi nipa debia nipa 50 ne nya HIV and HIV won say person me count because e risky o yire timi de beyew
ukunu timi de beye because this time obi awiem na obi di drone system aba hwe waboa na wo ye no drone system say drone system Ghana education service kra na omo ko hospitals na eka enema ye de ko hospitals no ho condoms ne ade na omo sopra na eka ho bi aboa be na sene wo se wo koto aba ma aban bi na ono de wo say drone system na provide emergency cases for emergency cases provide medications adema omanfo nya ahoto no wo se da bia no hu hia na emom pada ye de 290 Ghana cedis 290 million dollars top dia be che ye no hu hia esere drone na ye no ye de gini pankwa maba moye moa ben a mo de munchire moa be pa na moye na moa ben na moya mutimi kwa utimi tu aba ma ban ne be kasa asem we de kirewo wo ya aboa ben pa na wo ya utimi kwa tu aba ma ban o e be kasa asem we de kirewo wo ya aboa ben media ma aboa me ye no ma tu aba ma a whole lot of anyema ye enjoy wo Ghana ha ofri ukurom ko obi kurom a wo behu enya ade a ye no baabi fa ako saa niema we enya ade a ye no baabi fa ako ambulance services enya ade a ye no baabi fa ako school feed ye nya no baabi fa ako free SHS ye nya no baabi fa ako health insurance ye nya no baabi fa ako aboa pe na se no se wo beto aba ma aban ma na begu health insurance and the health insurance nya adwuma aboa pe na se no se wo beto aba ama aban ma na begu health insurance wo ya aboa ben Entiminua anyansafo ne nimdifo amutie me say unfollow accounts na like page no ma wani nje se wo ka sa 99% mmoa na omoto abade sa ne ma we ba Ghana ene Ghana ha no say me say me pa ban a also what better systems and policy than what I have mentioned. These are few that I have mentioned on kam ye hwe de be si wo Ghana ha na kura omanya emu nipa ntimi ntopad free education aba betimi akọ aboa be kura ne wo aboa ben ene wo omanya emu nipa ntimi ntopad free education anase secondary school aba betimi akọ. Oh my god, aboa ben ne wo ya aboa ben mi busa wo me se wo ya aboa ben wo hwemanim kirama aboa kura wo ye se omanya yentimi ntopad omanya watu aba aboa ben no se obeto aba ma omampanyini bi amana ba ba mu no obeto the most expensive pad in the world babia ode pad na ekwo so ode kwa akoma obi no store na ewo honom na nchen honom na ya pakeka wo honom na ye che pad no store ni mu ye 15 cedis de edi aba no eye 45 cedis aboa ben ne wo ya aboa ben ne we aboa ben kire me aboa kura wo ye. And you think say because in 2024 I observed something platform be because social media no so as our platform no a year the attempt and Nkwaseafuo they have a lot of likes and followers, but when you make educational programs we yemfi what kind of kwakwa ibu Nkwaseafuo because no what dey no like sa no mo pe nti onim se obeka we ya manipa abo agene so but onim se ye range mmoa ono wantimi kura hu ba bi ode ne mmoa no ni species awugina. What you say? Like think about it say omanya maame no bosome onye sika ento pad mane ba na sa kura no obeko school die obetima ko hospital hospital. If not free maternal care, if not national health insurance, if not free SHS, if not free basic education and from Nenkula mu besi so obenyini nyina obedani aboa no beka mo asem se de wugina so keka bi na no beka mo asem se de wugina so keka bi na ade na nkabeko so because part 15 won't mean to abide here what they brought your 45C. The most expensive part in the world. That is what you voted for.
To the word your mama, comment section. How you Penyah Media.